Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy. I like to talk about makeup panning, and things happening in my real life like cleaning, vlogs, and other stuff. If this is something you are interested in, then stay tuned for today's video. Alright, we have my monthly update for a project I created called Love My Makeup. This is the Love My Makeup project. You can follow along at #LoveMyMakeupProject. So far as I know, only 2 people are participating in this project, myself and Unapologetically Shelly, who is linked down in the description. So if you want to go check out her videos, go ahead. And if you want to join the challenge, you can, or join the project, you can. It is a monthly project with 3 products for 10 uses and no end date. So you can take as long as you want to get things done. It's a 10-use project. It's really easy because there's only 3 things, and yeah, you take forever if you want. You know, 1 use a month for 10 months. That works. Anyway, I have been doing this project where I roll in 1 eye product for my eyes, 1 for my cheeks or face, and 1 for my lips. And I'm going to continue that trend. So let's go ahead and see what I'm working out, what I'm working on, what I can roll out, and what I'm bringing in. So first of all, the oldest product in here so far is from Revlon, and it is the Revlon HD Liquid Matte Lip Color. I am wearing it right now. It says it's matte. It hasn't dried yet, but I like it. It's pretty nice and creamy for a while, and then eventually it will dry down. But this is this guy here. It is a beautiful dark burgundy. It is in the shade Infatuation. As of last month, I had used it 6 times, and over the last month, I have used it twice. So it means 8 uses, 2 more uses to go, and I will be able to roll this out. This is what I mean. You can take as long as you want. I brought this in July, and I'm still working on it. Because it is a dark lip color that I don't use every day, it's taking a while to get my uses on it. I love the color. It's just one I don't reach for regularly because I'm trying to work on other lip products and other projects. So that will stay in. Next, I brought in October, just last month. Cheek products I'm a little bit easier on because I don't have as many and they're easier to use every day. And this is my Complex Culture bronzer that I had just received in the June Ipsy. My goal, as always, is 10 uses. I don't know why I went to do that. I guess just habit. And this is it. It doesn't look any different. You could barely tell I used it. But I did use it all 10 times this month, so it is rolling out of this project. And this is their Sun Bath Bronzer in the shade Play, in case you want to look that up. And finally, for my eyes, I brought in last month as well the Mermaid Hearts palette from I Heart Revolution. I randomly rolled in the 8th shade, which is this one right here. I am wearing it today. It is on the outer corner of my eye look. Well, actually, it's all over my lid, and then it's topped with this shade up here, and then a few other things. And I have used it twice over the last month, so that's not too bad. 2 uses in 1 month. That's pretty good, I guess. So that is going to stay in. So we are keeping in something for my lips and something for my eyes, so it's time to roll in something for my cheeks. And for that, I am bringing in one of my 2 blushes from the Balm. I got them from Ipsy, and they had come in the little thing, and I deposited them into this little magnetic palette. And I am bringing in this one right here called It's a Date from the Balm. I will give you a swatch of that, maybe. Is anything coming off? Do I have hard pan? Hold on. I think I have hard pan. 1 second. Okay, we got that fixed, and there is a swatch of it. It's very subtle. It is a very buildable color. Sort of a peachy blush, and I'm bringing that in to get some uses in it. And in case you're wondering, the other one in here is Perseverance from their, what is that collection? The Will Powder collection. It's the shade Perseverance. And this one's just called It's a Date, I think. Yeah. So, yep, bringing in It's a Date to use that 10 more times, and I will have to keep an eye on it. I didn't realize it had hard pan until I was trying to swatch it and like nothing was coming off. So that is everything for this month. If you want to join the project, you're more than welcome to. Just let me know in the comments. And I will make sure to add you to the list of participants in my description. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, including those things like cleaning and vlogging and other things, then hit the subscribe button. Also, you'll get lots of makeup pen, makeup panning content. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, be true to you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!